Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to enable focus cell in Excel, the new Excel update. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have a data. Simply go to the view tab and here in show group click on the focus cell drop down arrow and here you can see the first option, the focus cell. Simply click on it and here see selected cell. It will focus with the different color. Okay. And if you want to change this color, you can change it simply again. Click on the focus cell drop down arrow and here the second option focus cell color. You can select here the different color. So I select here the yellow and see the changes over the light yellow shade here showing on the focus cell. Okay. So this is a way you can use the focus cell to focus in the particular area, particular cell in Excel. This is so helpful. Hope you understood. If you like this new update, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.